Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about how to apply for scholarships in Belgium. This is fully funded Ghent University Master's Mind Scholarship, and we'll show the full process for this. How do you apply? How do you get this reward of 10,000 euros per year? So we'll show the process. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe to YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe and do share and like this video as well. And do follow us on Instagram page as well. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarships are posted here, and link for this scholarship can be found in the video description below. You can check out any of the video descriptions. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmlook.com. Also, directly message our team on Instagram or ask for the link, and on stories you can find the links as well. Our easiest way to reach us is the website fullscholarships.net. Once you are on the website, you can apply for this particular opportunity. The Ghent University is offering a Mastermind Scholarship for session 2026, and it's one of the top institutions in the Europe. And Belgium is the country where it is located, and in the Flanders region. So it's offered by the government of Flanders, and it's already for master's degree programs. Application deadline is April 1st, 2026 academic year. So you need to apply for that. This will be providing you the 10,000 euros of grant and tuition fee waiver, and scholarship will support accommodation. Living expenses and work opportunities are also under this. Eligibility requirements to be considered for this: you should be a foreign citizen with the bachelor's degree and meet all the requirements of the program as per the university requirement, and should have proficiency in English, be like previously having completed your education in the English language. How do you apply for this opportunity? Select your program first and submit the details. Check the nomination stats, complete the documents, and that's it. So deadline is 1st of April. You should submit before that. So let us start the application process. Click on this apply button here. Once you click on that, you can see Mastermind scholarships. All details regarding the scholarship is mentioned here. About the scholarship selection procedure and timeline, contact details. So you can see procedure. So click on this procedure here. Now we can see application status, standard procedure for international students. Click on this, and now you can see, make sure you meet the admission requirements, start up the application procedure. So click on this third step here. Once you click on that, you can see how to submit an application for admission. Details regarding that, you can click on this, start the online application here. Click on this. Now once you click on that, start the online application, you can see welcome to the Ghent University. For existing users, you can log in with the username and password. For new users, you can click on register by creating an account. So click on register by creating an account here, enter your email, select I'm not a robot, and click on register. So this is the admissions part. We have completed the registration part already. So I am clicking on login with the username and password. Here you can see our username is already selected. So we have successfully logged in here. You can see new enrollment application. Click on this. Now apply as a degree student. So click on this enrollment application. You can see there's a previous application here. Our education background is already there. So we have submitted some, but you can add educational degree here, and simply click on next. After that, select the academic year you want to enroll for. Select 2026, 2027, and then select the program type. You can see we'll select a master's. Language, select English. Location by default will be there. Select the department you wish to apply for, and select the program. Here you can see different programs are there. We'll select one, click on save and continue. Now click on English. We have selected English native language here, and then we can add language certificate as a medium of instruction here. I have uploaded that. If you have other languages, you can add that, and then click on save and continue. Then your personal details, you can review them. Check your photograph here. Click on save and continue. After that, your emergency details, enter the name, email, and phone number. Then there is how do you learn about the program. So you can mention social media or a YouTube channel as well. Then click on next. After that, now you have to add your passport copy here. So one by one, you need to upload that here. So let's upload one by one. Click on save and continue. So now refugee, if you are, you can mention these documents here. Else you can click on save and continue. Financial means mention scholarship organization. So you have to mention uh, mastermind scholarship, and you have to apply for that separately. Then are you already a scholarship? Is it already approved? No, we are not. Click on save and continue. Agree to terms and conditions here. Click on submit your enrollment application. You can see uh, masters. Click on the details for more information. So proof of language that you edit will be verified first. Once it is verified, your application will be registered. You can see we can go back to the overview, and we also have received an email regarding this submission. You can see application form, file number. Dear Zan, thank you for this interest in Master of Science in Computer Science Engineering at Ghent University. Your online application was received in good order, and these are the details here. You can see. So now we have completed this part. So let's go directly to this page here and about Mastermind Scholarship here. You can see it is estimated for this selection procedure. Student is not able to apply directly. It is the master's program coordinator who proposes maximum of 2 students. So that means once you submit this application, once it is verified, you don't have to submit separately any application for the scholarship. You just maybe need to contact the supervisor of that program you have applied, ask him to recommend your application, because by default maybe he would not recommend you. You'll have to contact the international relations team office and ask them to shortlist your application. So here is an email, you can contact them. That's a simple process. And in the contact section they have mentioned anything you need to ask in the comment section, or you can directly write them at international support at gent.be regarding any of your confusions you have. And rest, all the queries will be available on our website fullscholarships.net. Here you can see every question is answered. Still you have any doubt, leave the comment below the video. Our team will assist you and answer your queries within timeline. But remember to follow and subscribe so that your comment does not go to spam section. Easiest way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net. Everything is there. You can just keep yourself updated there. That's it for today. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep watching, keep subscribing, share this video, like this video. Have a nice day ahead.